So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to play or how to type in an effective way by playing games, so this is an interesting website that I found online. Just head to zty.pe and from there you can start playing games while learning how to type. You can see my accuracy was 81.8 and longest stride, that is amount of balls and all that. So you get to play game. In that you can go to the settings and adjust the sound, adjust the music to whatever you want. You can check your statistics, so you can see. You can load your own words. Yes, you can select a bunch of words you will need and paste them there, and as soon as you start suggesting, just like, so let me just go back and show you how it's done to play the game. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. I share interesting tips on how to be more effective and productive, how to learn new skills and go back to your day-to-day activities. So let's just dive right into it. So I'm going to pass the first wave, then I'm going to fail the next wave. So I'm going to do so wave 1 is okay. I'm going to fail this wave. So I intentionally pass the wave. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.